Today, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a ExpressVPN on your Xbox. It is a simple process, and you can follow along even if you have never used a VPN before. And before we begin, I want to mention that there is a discounted link to NordVPN in the description. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market, and I will talk more about that later in the video. Let's get started. You have three main ways to use a VPN on your Xbox. You can connect to a VPN-enabled router, you can use your PC as a hotspot, or you can use ExpressVPN's Media Streamer service. Media Streamer is not a full VPN. It changes your apparent online location, but does not offer the full privacy and encryption that a proper VPN provides. Still, it works well for streaming and accessing content libraries from other regions. To set up Media Streamer, start by logging in to your ExpressVPN account on your phone or computer. Go to the DNS settings page. You may be asked to register your IP address. Do that, and then look for the toggle that says Automatically Register My IP Address. Turn that on so you do not have to repeat this step in the future. Next, in your account dashboard, you should see the Media Streamer DNS address under the section that mentions Xbox support. Write this number down, because you will enter it on your console. Now turn on your Xbox. Go to the General tab and open Network Settings. Select Set up Wireless Network, then choose Advanced Settings. Look for DNS settings, switch it to Manual, and enter the Media Streamer IP address you copied earlier. Enter the same number for both the primary and secondary IPv4 DNS fields. Save these settings. Your Xbox should reconnect to the internet automatically. Once it does, Media Streamer is now active on your console. When I play on my Xbox with a VPN, I do not notice a drop in speed. In fact, I often get lower ping because some VPN servers avoid congested routes. It also adds protection from DDoS attacks and helps reduce packet loss. ExpressVPN works well for gaming, but it does cost more than some other services. This brings me to why many gamers choose NordVPN instead. NordVPN is known for its large server network, strong security, and very fast speeds. Many users find it more stable for streaming, gaming, and general online use. It is also often more affordable than other VPNs with similar features, which makes it a strong choice for both gaming and privacy. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.